This projector is illegal in 14 states. Too powerful for your living room? Sick of your so-called 4K projector making movies look like a YouTube upload from 2006? Yeah, we feel you. That grainy, dim, washed-out mess isn't just killing the vibe, it's murdering your home theater dreams. You've thrown cash at sketchy brands, wrestled with spaghetti cable nightmares, and still can't get that jaw-dropping cinematic magic. The struggle is real, flickering blacks, rainbow artifacts, and contrast so bad it looks like a shadow puppet show. Your couch deserves better. You deserve better. And your eyeballs? They're begging for mercy. Welcome to the projector revolution. This ain't a drill. Let's crank the pain to 11. Every movie night turns into an eye-straining disappointment. Friends fake compliments while inwardly judging your DIY home cinema. Your investment? Toasted. You're wasting time fiddling with settings, adjusting focus like you're defusing a bomb, only to end up with garbage visuals and buyer's remorse. You could have built a spaceship with the hours you've spent troubleshooting. Meanwhile, cinema-quality bangers are being missed because your projector tapped out in the first round. Burnout isn't just for work, it hits your entertainment too. That dream setup you envisioned? Slipping further away with every pixelated frame. Enter the beast, the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB 4K Pro UHD projector, aka the eyeball massage machine you didn't know you needed. This isn't just 4K. It's projector enlightenment. With 2600 lumens of retina-popping brightness and that smooth-as-butter 3-chip 3 LCD tech, you get color so real it punches through the screen. No rainbows, no ghosting, just ultra-crisp, HDR-juiced glory. Epson's secret sauce? Precision lens tech and pixel-shifting wizardry that deliver frame-perfect visuals. Imagine every Marvel explosion, every Game of Thrones dragon, and every FIFA goal like it's happening in your living room. Boom! Instant legend status unlocked. Here's the real kicker. No more fiddling, no more faking it, no more frustration. The 5050 UB simplifies everything. Motorized lens shift? Check. Cinematic color gamut wider than your Aunt Linda's casserole table? Double check. It's like upgrading from a tricycle to a Tesla in 0.5 seconds. Whether you're a casual binger or a die-hard cinephile, this baby brings the theater home, without charging $20 for popcorn. Want effortless performance, pro-level quality, and zero regrets? Yeah, this is that projector. Hit the link and level up your setup before your next movie night flops harder than a Netflix original. PSA to all home theater junkies, stop settling. The Epson 5050 UB isn't just recommended, it's worshipped by thousands. Reviewers are losing their minds. Forums are lit. The buzz? 100% real. But here's the deal, these things fly off shelves faster than a TikTok trend. Don't wait till you're staring at a back-in-stock soon message with tears in your eyes. Seize this visual upgrade like it owes you money. This is your shot at elite-tier 4K projection. No guesswork. No gimmicks. Just pure, unfiltered cinema goodness. Smash that link. Grab yours. And project like a boss.